What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Domestic Imports. My name's Preston as always, and today I'm going to be redoing what I just done on this car. So buckle in and hold on, because here we go. Alright, so I came to the conclusion that Subaru ain't fully in just yet. What I mean by that is I forgot a somewhat crucial, important piece, I would say. I don't know if it's important or not, but it is to finish this build. And I have to take the whole motor out, and it's all because of this guy. And I'm pretty sure this goes over on the flywheel bolts and all that. That's where it goes, on the back side of the transmission. So the progress that I got so far on this and everything, I got to take all this back off, lift it up, and then put that spacer thing back on it, drop it back down in there, and then finish the rest of it. Yeah, that's where I'm at right now. So I don't know if I'm gonna videotape this, me uninstalling it and reinstalling it. I mean, it's felt like I already did that in the first video. So what I may do is I may just, I don't know, I may set you guys up like somewhere, and I don't know, I'll think about it. But if you guys see this next part, me pulling it out, that's what I'm doing. It's probably a hyperlapse again, because I like hyperlapse. I don't have to spend 30 minutes to an hour editing slow videos, you know. So anyways, so yeah, that's what I may do. I may just do the hyperlapse and just say fuck it. But yeah, I'll give you guys some content on it. So if you guys hold on just a second, I'll get you guys into the hyperlapse. All right, so got the engine back out, and yeah, so I realized what I did wrong. I've already taken it off, but I've taken the torque converter thing that goes to that. I got it off, so it's actually sitting right over here. So from what I remember and seeing is that it needs to go like that, pretty much, you know, whenever it's on there. So, and if you guys can tell right there, those two line up. So that tells me it goes on the outside of it. Well, It's just pretty much a spacer. I don't know if I really needed it or not, but I'm gonna put it back on there because I don't like extra parts. So yeah, can do that. And also I'm going to put this guy back in here because it popped out. So that's another fun project that I have to do now. Yeah, hopefully I could get that plate that goes right here on back to where it's sitting. And also I found this guy, which I know came off the front, so I'm gonna take this off, put this back in there, and then it should be good because, you know, oil will come out if I don't have that on there. So let's see, I just want to know where it's at. Hopefully it's not behind the belt. But anyways, I won't hyperlapse this part. I'll show you guys after I get everything done that I need to. And, you know, before I'll put another hyperlapse of me actually putting the engine back in it. I don't know. I may or may not do that. I don't know yet. Because it's just the same process of pulling it out, and it's just a whole lot harder. So yeah, I don't know, but I'll let you guys know. You'll see here in a second. So it may just be me saying, hey, I got it in, you know, and now I can finish it. So yeah, so give me a second, you guys. Quick update. I just took the cover off and all that, so that guy's in there. And if you guys can look back in there and see, that one's in there too. If you can't, just take my word for it. But I think it's behind this plate. So I'm going to take this back off, take off all this silicone gasket maker, and yeah, do it that way. But yeah, hopefully this engine will be done and then be back in the car. So that's what I'm gonna try to do today for the most part. So let's see if we can do some editing magic here. So like, there we go. Okay, so it's back in. I did everything that, you know, I said I was going to do. Hopefully the torque converter ain't fucked up, because it did come out whenever I did pull the engine out, which is a nightmare. But it seems to be that it's right where it's supposed to be. I'll have to, so yeah, it looks like it's you know, where it's supposed to be. So it said 8 millimeters that it has to be out, sticking out. So I think we're good, we're in the clear. It didn't pull it all the way out, which I did a little research on it, and there's like a clip that goes into the actual, it's hard to explain. But anyways, I got that done. I got the spacer taken care of. I got that little round plug done, and yeah, got everything buttoned up, put it back together. So now I'm going to put this back up here and continue to put everything back together. So I'll see you guys in the hyperlapse. What's up, everybody? Back at it again with something very important to ask you guys. Are you guys tired of all the ads? Well, look no further, because right now I don't have any ads. That's the best part about my videos, is that there is no ads whatsoever. While you're watching this, you guys don't get any ads. Unless you consider this an ad, then it's not really an ad because the video is still playing. But could it be an ad? I don't know. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Nah, I just wanted to let you guys know that that one pipe that I've been tossing around a whole bunch, I don't know where it went, but I do now. It's a part of the heater hose system, and I finally figured out where it goes. So let you guys get back to the video.
Ta-da!
Alright, so pretty much I've came to a stopping point because, as you could tell, it's getting dark and I'm out here with no garage or anything like that. So what I'm going to show you guys is what I've gotten done so far. And yeah, so here it is. So as you could tell, the intake's back on. Got the alternator, the power steering, and the AC, which this car does have AC on. I also got underneath here the let's see. Oh, sorry. I got the exhaust bolted up. It just needs one more nut, but other than that, it's fine. And then I got to mount the motor mounts to it, which I got to get those bolts. Got the starter put on. Everything's all tightened down and everything. I got to get those two nuts in the back. They're on the bottom. But yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at right now. So it's coming along. I got to figure out, you know, some stuff and all that. So yeah, I'm gonna probably call it a night here. So I'm gonna probably call it a night and try to get this video posted. I don't know when I'll be finishing it up, but it's getting close. I still got to get antifreeze, oil, power steering fluid. Yeah, power steering fluid. And yeah, then I'll be done. So once I get everything underneath done, I can actually drop it down and let it sit on all 4 tires. And oh, I also got to get that bracket put on that's on the transmission and all that, which, I mean, I could do that later. It's no big rush right now. So but yeah, this is all I gotten so far. So yeah, if you like what you guys seen, I'm gonna try to edit the best I could or can. But if you guys like what you see, comment, not comment, comment a comment. um but really though, if you guys will like what you see, that sounded horrible. If you guys like what you see, I know I'm trying to end this. But if you guys like what you see, make sure to leave a comment down below and hit that like button. It helps me a whole lot. Like I said before, I'd rather be doing this than working at my job right now. But yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Peace.